Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP is unfortunately still moving in this sideways range here, but I can tell you that, well, while I don't really have a new wave count, there are some developments here we need to talk about. Overall, obviously, as you can see, nothing changed from the last update. Just want to re-emphasize again that XRP is just in a sideways range, could be working on this massive triangle pattern here, and essentially the most bullish scenario I can see for XRP is that we are moving up here in this kind of WXY structure, yeah? And that this is a Y wave to the upside that's unfolding right now. And this Y wave and this Y wave to the upside, well, it could take us above $1 basically, yeah? Potentially way above $1. But it hasn't clearly started yet. And I will tell you what I need to see to say that it started. And what would that be part of? I mean, it's a corrective rally, and it would be most likely part of a large triangle. How exactly this triangle is unfolding is not unclear, but it could be an A wave, a B wave, WXY, and wave C, then a wave D, and a wave E. Maybe the triangle is finished here, and then we break out to the upside. But there is so much uncertainty in this chart because we're just moving sideways. There's literally no 5-wave move to the upside. Best we can do is to identify 5 waves when they show up. And then we can look for the 3-wave pullback that's based on Elliott Wave. And then we can look at that as a setup. I've already given you a support region which has been holding for several months. So it's very much relevant. Okay, the data I provide here is very much relevant. The price is respecting and has been respecting this support region. But it's just a chart for range traders at the moment. This is the support region. It hasn't changed in months, right? Between 37 cents and 52. The market did not break below the 61.8 retracement. And this is just holding several reactions to that level. Looking at the shorter time frame, it's possible that before this Y wave to the upside is starting, we get a we have to dip a little bit lower. Okay, so it's like that this X wave before the Y wave is still unfolding, is where it's getting quite complex. It's another WXY. The idea was maybe this is an A, B, C in wave Y. Yeah, getting mixed, too many X's and Y's here. But to keep it simple, the idea is this here could be an Elliott wave triangle, and it could break to the downside. However, why do I say that? Because it could be a B wave. And we have enough waves to call the triangle complete. Sorry, that was ugly. More like that. A, B, C, D, E. As soon as the E wave is complete, we have to prepare for a move down. But then typically it should really break down also quickly with a lot of momentum. There's absolutely no downside momentum there. Okay, so I don't think the triangle is actually complete. I don't really have a better count for the white scenario. All I can share with you is that, of course, this B wave could still extend. And, that's likely what it's going to do. Because, XRP doesn't like to finish things, right? It's just moving in 3-wave movements. And then when you think, okay, it just needs that last wave down, going the other way. So I could, for me, the most likely pathway, normally, I would say this. Yeah, at least we could say, as soon as we take the red line out at 47.7 cents, it's likely to go down. Knowing XRP, I know it's probably not going to do that. Yeah, it's not going to give me what I want to see. So it's likely going to move up. So breaking above the green line then at 56.8 cents should indicate that the yellow count is likely playing out. And we can watch for the first 5-wave move up in a diagonal pattern, which would be great. 3rd wave should reach 72 cents, 5th wave 77. If we get these 5 waves up, I've got some clarity that likely we're moving up in the Y wave. Don't know where it is there. But XRP is likely not going to fill in all the 5 waves, okay? It would be amazing because then we actually have a setup, proper setup. So what I think is going to happen, it's just knowing XRP, it will likely try to break to the upside, fail somewhere along the way, and then either come down or just move sideways. So it's not going to fill in all the 5 waves. It would be great if it does. It would impress me. I also don't think it's gonna take the easy path down because that would be too easy. So it's gonna probably rally. That's just my view right now, the way it's looking, because it's not coming down. And if it goes up, then it will likely fail at around 64.2 cents, maybe 68.9. That's what I'm watching for. Yeah. Essentially, we're still in the support region anyway. So no, it's left it actually. So it's reversed again in the trend reversal area, and it could try another rally. It might fail along the way. It might fail along the way, possibly where this trend line is coming down, and fail to form 5 waves, because 5 waves are important. If we get 5 waves, we can say, okay, we have the possibility now to add the next higher low support zone to the chart, which could actually provide a nice setup within this Y wave, because a Y wave is an ABC structure. So what I'm looking for is maybe 5 waves up in wave A, B wave pullback, C wave rally. That would be ideal, but yeah, that's all low probability, right? It's just like, look at this. I mean, it's just been moving sideways for such a long time. I know a lot of Elliott Wave analysts have given up on XRP because it's just moving sideways. So there's literally in corrections, which this is, there isn't much you can do as an Elliott Wave analyst other than highlighting what's the higher level support area, which I'm doing, and what are the potentials, right? So that's my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.